How to combine shapes in Figma. To do this, we can create something like an arrow to showcase this. And I want to go up here to the rectangle tool. Just gonna drag it out like this. And now let's give it a nice color like that. And now I want to choose a triangle. So I go back here and I choose the drop down menu and I go to polygon, and the triangle is already the default shape. Just rotate it like this, 90 degrees, while holding down shift. Very important. Let me just resize this a little bit. And now I can use the eyedropper tool as well to give it the same color. And now when I want to align them, I can either just bring them closer together until this these lines appear here, which center them, or something else I can do is just select both, and here up on the right side I choose one of these options. In this case I want their vertical centers to align like that, and now I want to overlap them a bit so the combine feature gives us a better result here like this. Okay, so you want to make sure they're a little bit overlapping each other like that. And now we select both of them and we go up here to these two blocks. These are called Boolean groups, and when we click on the drop down, the first thing we see is union selection. So when I do this, it's turned both shapes into one by combining the overlapping parts of them. If we go back, we can check out the other options like the subtract selection, which in this case takes the object which is on top and cuts out the shape from the one that's on the bottom. So in this case, the triangle was on top and only this shape remained. So if I want to do the opposite, I can put the rectangle on top, and when I select them again, I can go again to subtract selection and it will leave me with this shape. I think that's more easy to understand that way. So when I select them again both, we can also intersect the selection. This will give us this intersecting part where they overlap, or we can do exclude selection, which will give us both shapes without the overlapping part. But the one you're probably going to use most often is going to be the union selection. And that's it. That's how you combine shapes in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.